Welcome to our channel. I am Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the topic in the artificial intelligence, machine learning. What exactly we are doing is, it is a data science based application for the rainfall prediction, right? So what we have done, we have taken a data set from the internet sources and also followed one of the recent research topic from the IEEE, which is implementing it for other algorithms as the NeBe, J48 and regression technology. What we have done in it, I will let you know. Firstly, let's have a look at what exactly it is doing. When I'm running this code, firstly we have taken the data set in the Excel form, we are reading it in the code, pre-processing it, separating it, forming the clusters by using the fuzzy c-mean clustering later, and classifier, a machine learning algorithm is being used for the classification purpose, and finally the prediction is being compared with the traditional technique, that what accuracy, what performance we have achieved from this algorithm. So let's run this code. When I'm running this code, it will process the initial data, export is done, initial points are extracted, cluster formation is done. Now MLP, what is MLP? MLP is basically multi-layer perception model. It is basically an advanced version of traditional ANN networks, that is artificial neural network, which is used for the better performance for the decision making. As you can see, the results are being calculated, and you can see we have implemented it for multiple cases, and the results are being there. As you can see, the clusters that we have formed, the different cluster formed values are being plotted, both are shown in a single window. Objective function, because it is a multi-layer perception model, objective function is basically the MSC. So MSC is to be reduced, so by changing the epochs, the MSC is going to be reduced. MSC is exactly the difference between the actual and the predicted output, so that should be least, and the accuracy is going to be increased, which is nearly, I think, 95 point something. So it is compared with the traditional algorithms in the terms of the RMSC, accuracy and F-Meyer. The predicted output is over there. Even the more predictions are done for the coming years, that is basically the prediction. One is the classification, one is the prediction. There is a difference between the two. Classification is basically classifying the same data whose output is known, and prediction is for predicting the data which is upcoming, which is for the future. So the system that we have implemented it for the prediction model, for the rainfall prediction in a specific region. The data sets are available for the India region, for the Himachal and for Andaman and Nicobar, and one more state we have taken. And by performing the analysis on these data sets, we have implemented the FCM based MLP model for the prediction of the rainfall. Secondly, we have also done it for the crop water requirement on dependent upon the rainfall, that is the advancement over it. So further more modifications are possible in this. So artificial intelligence, machine learning in one of the trending technology, can be used in any of the domain. So predicting the rainfall is one of the application that we have covered in this topic. So for more ideas and more information regarding to this, feel free to contact us on the contact numbers given in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.